Agastya's vision is an India of tinkerers, solution seekers and entrepreneurs. And it is in this pursuit of this particular vision we partnered with JP Morgan in the Schools Challenge Mumbai.
This is my second year being associated with the Schools Challenge. It's such a key program for JP Morgan globally. And to see these brilliant young students, Mumbaikar, come together to solve for problems we see in our communities, it meant that our kids went out, spoke to people, understood their problems. A strong backing of our engineering students, JP Morgan volunteers, they've come up with such amazing, innovative solutions. I saw it unfold last year, can't wait to see what they come up this year.
It ignites the little brains of the school children and forces them to think differently for the society, and it encourages them to participate in a lot of other activities other than school.
बच्चों के साथ मिलके कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स के ऊपर काम किया जिसमें बच्चों ने पूरी अपनी क्रिएटिविटी दिखाई.
विज्ञानाविषयीचं जे कुतूहल आहे या कुतूहलामुळेच मुलांनी अतिशय इंटरेस्टने यामध्ये काम केलं. त्यांना स्वतःला त्या ठिकाणी काम करायला मिळत होतं, त्यामुळे ते खूपच आनंदी त्या कार्यक्रमावरून आल्यानंतर दिसायचे.
आम्ही इथे ड्रेनेज सेफ्टी सूट बनवलेला आहे.
हा सूट अशा व्यक्तींसाठी आहे जे की लोकल लेवलवरती गटार साफ करतात. त्यांच्यासाठी आतापर्यंत असं स्पेसिफिक असं कोट किंवा सूट किंवा किट असं बनवलं नाही आहे. त्यासाठी आम्ही हा सूट बनवलेला आहे.
This project helped us to learn about the engineering field and how we should not just sympathize about something but also empathize about it. We learned many things which we were never aware of, such as the rotary box and its tool.
The School Challenge program helped us to build confidence and teamwork.
We learned to cooperate with each other and we also came over our stage fear.
Communication skills हमने बहुत अच्छे से सीखी है.